Mr. Xander.
Hi.
While we're under here, Bernsey Chata. While we're under here pulling the remainder of the OE brake lines. What else you doing, bud?
Draining oil.
Yeah, we're gonna drain the oil. We're gonna drain the trans fluid. Because while we're under here, might as well do it. Yes, huh? Yes, huh? You choking on one over there? That oil looks relatively icky already. I see your hand. Oh, lubed up. Bernsey, you're so loud over there. You know, you should have grabbed a ratcheting wrench, dummy.
Yeah.
I know, it's hard not to grab the ancient craftsmen's when they didn't suck. Before they went to chit.
Well, that and drain plugs usually get loose after you break it loose.
You know what else gets loose after a little while?
I don't know if I want to know.
This guy right here.
Ready?
Ooh, you're pulling it out?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, you missed. Ooh, there it goes. Okay. That's fun. All right, that's draining. Jesus Christ, Xander. That's draining. We'll pull the filter, and then we'll start draining the trans. It's okay. Just talk over it. Draining the trans. Dude, that's got some funk, and I'm way up here.
Yeah, it smells awful.
Xander, you all right?
I got period blood on my leg.
Is that the new name for trans fluid that's dirty?
Yeah, period blood.
Did you start your rag?
Yeah,
You're ovulating?
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
I'm ovulating. Come here.
No. What the? Glad I didn't get that part on video. Anyway. All right. So next step's going to be take off the trans pan. Don't wipe that on me, you punk ass. Because I'm up here.
What? Punk ass what?
B. I'm up here on the stool. Because Bernsey and I are in the library. We're in the study. Mr. Xander.
Hi.
All right. So you got the trans drained.
Yeah.
You got the pan off or no?
I have 2 bolts left.
All right, so it's almost off. We're going to discuss trans pan gaskets.
So, this came with the filter.
Yeah, these are rubbery paper caca. Yeah, they're always folded, so they're always basically almost ripped.
Yeah.
They're junk. What's worse is when you get the ones that are just rubber. They never lay flat.
Yeah, like it's in the box like this.
Yeah.
So we have a cork one.
So we always try to get a cork one. Now, some things like engine oil pans, if I can get a one-piece, like steel embedded rubber ones, like those badass Felpros, I get those. But
Jordan's car has that really thick exhaust
yeah,
gasket.
that multi-layer.
Yeah.
I'll buy that stuff. But for the trans pans, I'll go cork like this. That's about the only way. Unless you get a nice pan with an O-ring. But that's expensive. So anyway, hardy har, Mr. Burns. So, Xander's going to pull a pan, he's going to pull a filter, and he's going to shoot video on it.
Yeah.
And then you'll see it. Thank you, sir.
All right, guys. So, I have the trans pan out. It's heavy. Got all my bolts lined up. I have one hell of a mess to clean up when I'm done. It's all over the ground. It's all over me. Anyways, I have the old filter right here. And then the new filter. I'm like sliding around. Isn't? So I'm gonna have to fight to get the new gasket in because whoops. I'll fix that real quick. Okay. So I have that all back together. That'll probably pop out again, but you know. So I've got to fight to get the gasket on, and that's when you guys will see me next. This is dripping everywhere.
What's up, Princess Xander?
Trans pan. and gasket.
Ooh.
Cork gasket.
Nice, proper gasket. You got the filter in. Stick it in carefully. Very nice. Nice work, sir. Put a couple bolts, get it up and in there, get it on there. All right. There you go. All right, Xander's getting that started. While he's doing that, I do want to show everybody. When you pulled the oil filter, the old gasket is stuck. I've seen a lot of times that happens. People put the filter on, start the car, and then it shoots.
I didn't show this, but the old filter came off in one.
It's not a filter.
Gasket.
Yeah, there you go.
Old gasket.
What was it? Cork?
Can't really tell. I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Gee, wonder why. Because they actually work. All right, so Xander's gonna get all bolts in, get it snugged up. That'll be all ready to go.
Dipstick back.
Put the dipstick tube back in. Put an oil filter on it. We have Real Deal Motorcrafts. We will put oil in it and trans fluid. We will make a note. Oil and trans fluid. We'll put it on the board. But we're not gonna drop the car down for now. We will be dropping the car down, so we can at least put the oil in it.
Well, I'm gonna put the bolts on.
Yeah. Clean.
Yeah.
Yes. And then we can start our brake lines. Yay. So I'll come down here and get a shot. You look intense, dude. Give me that look again. That should be your headshot. You just send it to the girls. That'll look good on your grinder.
I'm not gay.
That'll look good on your Tinder.
Yeah. I told my friend if I'm still single when I'm 19, I'm gonna get Tinder.
Yeah, dude. You're gonna be breaking in the old shop couch. Anyway, oil filter too before we let this down.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, sir.